Hi guys, today we're going to show you the assembly of the Posturetec medium back chair from Posturetec Online. It's a very simple task chair, very easy assembly, and as you can see we've got the parts here just laid out so it's easy to see. You've got the base and then your casters, then you've got the gas lift bellow, the cover, dust cover as we call it, the gas lift, the backrest, and then the mechanism with the seat attached, which is upside down there. So if you start with the base and the casters, and you just push them in like so, very simple, and they just push and clip fit with a circlip on the inside. There we go, have the base. And then if we get the gas lift and your gas lift bellow, and just put it up inside, and that just clips on around the top of the cylinder, and that just goes straight into the base. It's a tapered fit, so once there's a weight and pressure on top, that will lock into place. And if we get the back and the seat, so we've got the seat here, and the backrest, which has got its cover on. And then you just pull back a little bit on that plastic cover, which is the cover for the backrest, upright, and then just line it up with the back of the mechanism. Make sure that the knob here that tightens it up is loose. And that wheel, there's a little button on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little button here, and that needs to be pressed for it to go in. So if you just line that up, press that little button, and that'll start to go in, as you can see. Then just get this, get your cover, and bring your cover around as you're going in. And then push your cover over like so, and that's just to hide obviously the mechanism workings. And then you push your backrest down, you hear that little click, that's clicked into place. You can push that up in there and slide it down like so, tighten it up, and obviously you'll adjust that once you sit on the chair to get the right lumbar height. And then we just line it up. You've got this hole here that goes, that the gas lift goes into. Line it up, and that just clips on. And there we go. We have the Posturetec chair ready to go. I trust this video was helpful and shows you how to assemble the Posturetec chair. Thanks very much for watching.